If you really want it, you do what you've got to do, make it come to life. Always follow who you are. Come to life. You do what you've got to do, make it come to life.
It's commemorated once again. We all know that the Nairobi Expressway is currently ready for use, and the only thing left out is the improvement of the ancillary infrastructure. Today I will be updating you on the new Nairobi Expressway toll fees. Stick around to know why the government decided to revise the toll fees, and also I will be giving you a breakdown of how much it will cost you from one toll station to another. The 27-kilometer public-private partnership funded 88 billion Kenyan shillings road had been announced as ready for official launch by Kenya over the Easter holidays. However, the road will not be launched until they are done repairing damaged sections of the old Mombasa Road and drainage. President Uhuru Kenyatta will officially launch the expressway after the city hosts its inaugural marathon on the 8th of May. The public will be allowed to participate and run on the Nairobi Expressway as they enjoy the metropolis view from above. The Nairobi City Marathon is being organized by Kenya's Ministry of Sports, Arts and Social Development Fund. For a recap, Nairobi Expressway was designed, funded and built by China Communication Construction Company, the parent firm of China Road and Bridge Corporation. No debt was incurred by the government. This means not the government but the road users will pay for it. Moja Expressway Company, a subsidiary of China Road and Bridge Corporation, will operate the road for 27 years to recoup the money through toll fees. That most of you might know. What some might not know is that the government has revised expressway toll fees up to 16% after the Kenyan shillings weakened against the US dollar. In December of 2021, $1 value against the Kenyan shillings was 103. Currently, the dollar value is at 113 Kenyan shillings. These toll fees are subject to change and will not only be dependent on the exchange rate but also changes on the consumer price index. There are three modes of payment. 1. ETC, which is an abbreviation of electric toll collection. 2. MTC, which is abbreviation for manual toll collection. 3. Cash at the exit. For help with relevant cards and hardware, you can visit the Expressway office located near Ramtom's Mombasa Road. Here is the breakdown of new toll fees. Case vehicle, a sedan car.
I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs, crying cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl, the one who made me doubt. She's so much older than me, she's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs, cause how could I ever love someone else? I know we weren't perfect, but I never felt this way for no one. Now I just can't imagine how you could be so okay, now that I'm gone. Cause you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. You say forever, now I drive alone past your street. Cause you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. You say forever, now I drive alone past your street. And all my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you, but I kinda feel sorry for them, but they'll never know you the way that I do. Yet today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you. I know we were perfect, but I never felt this way for no one. Ooh, I just can't imagine how you could be so okay.
Please note, pedestrians, bicycles, bodabodas, tuk-tuks, handcarts, graffitis, posters, and erecting billboards without prior authorization are prohibited. Let me know what else you wanna know down in the comment section. Well guys, we have come to the end of this video. Subscribe if you haven't, like, share and comment. Bye guys.